Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have just a little update for you, a little CXC update. And so CXC had a press release outlining the release date for the 2022 CAPE and CSEC exam results, right? So just a little preemptive date for you guys so that you can, brace yourselves for the inevitable release of the results. Get your heart in place, get yourself up, but get your nerves of steel going so that you don't get too scared, too frightened with your pending results, right? So let's just read what they have for us so that we can, like as I said, brace ourselves for our results. No need to get scared. Once you know you studied, and you should be able to do well on your exams. So, Bridgetown, Barbados, the Caribbean's Examination Council, CXC, has been working assiduously at completing the marking and grading process for the timely release of this year's examination results. Consistent with the announced schedule for release during the last week of August or the first week of September, preliminary results for the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Examination, CAPE, Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate, CSEC, and Caribbean Certificate of Secondary Level Competence, CCSLC, will be released in St. Lucia on Monday, 5th September 2022. Candidates can access their preliminary results online, and you see the link right there. So, the day in question, the ultimate day, the day when some of our futures are going to be decided, is Monday, 5th September. So that's less than a month away. I'm recording this on August the 11th, 2022, and so it's less than a month away. Actually, that's when school restarts right here in our federation. School reopens on Monday, 5th September. So, it would be interesting if you get some poor results the same the school opens. I guess you might have to just enroll in school again if you have to repeat, if it's that bad of a result. You know what I'm saying? If it's that bad. But hopefully it is not. We can move on to next higher level, CSEC. Of fifth form, sixth form, university, whichever level you're moving on to, because the results will be that good. So, regional ministries of education will receive the preliminary results on Thursday, the 1st of September, even a shorter time from now, Thursday, the 1st September 2022, to review and provide feedback as necessary. In preparation for a joint meeting of ministries on Friday, the 2nd September 2022. In instances where requests for early release of results were made, preliminary results will also be made available to universities at the same time as the ministries of education to facilitate the matriculation of candidates. So there you have it, folks. Be prepared, brace yourself for September 5th, 2022. That's the day when you're going to know if you pass all, or if you pass two, or none at all. You're going to know your future, right? So no fret. Once you study, you should be fine. I'm assuming everybody who follow this channel smart enough to follow the channel, so they are smart enough to get 1s and 2s and get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 subjects, whatever, right? So all the best to you guys out there when the results drop on September 5th, 2022. Don't give yourself any stress. Don't be worrying about it. Just carry on, enjoy your summer, and so that when the time comes, then is when you're going to, brace yourself for whatever the results are. Alright, so that's it for now. Of course, learners can be back in September with some new lectures, some new past papers, whatever. We're gonna get back on it in September. We let August go. Everybody relaxing summer. Nobody got time for the schoolwork, including myself. We just liming all August, liming for the rest of July, and so summer is the time to just chillax and enjoy the vibes, right? So we're gonna be back at it in September. Alright, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. See you when results drop on September 5th. I'll bring the reports or whatever they might bring. I'll try and bring it, if not live, directly after the press release or the press conference. Alright, so again, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Continue to enjoy your summer and do not fret too much about your pending results. They will be fine. All right, so that's it.